This is a super easy cut crease tutorial and is perfect for my lazy or busy girls. If you're in a rush, you definitely have no time to put on fake eyelashes, and you can wear this look with no false lashes. First, we're going to do our eyebrows. I'm using the LYS eyebrow pencil, and this is in the shade Taupe. For a more natural eyebrow look, brush your eyebrow hairs downwards and then fill in the top of your eyebrow. This is great for people with hooded eyes because you're not taking up any of the space under the eyebrow. Once you finish that, fill in any sparse areas in the front of your eyebrow. Then brush the eyebrow hairs upwards, and you've created a nice shape to your eyebrow. Then set your eyebrows with either an eyebrow gel, or I'm using the Benefit Gimme Brow. Now for the fun part, you're going to set your eyes with some concealer. I'm using the House Labs, and bring that all the way up to your eyebrow. This creates a smooth and even canvas and hides any lines or discoloration. I have some veins on my eyelid, so I just added another layer. Would you be interested in seeing some of my favorite concealers for eyeshadow looks? All the products I'm using will be listed in the description below as well. You want to set the concealer that you just put on your eye, and I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury pressed powder, but you can use pressed or loose powder. Now for the eyeshadow, I'm using the iconic London Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. I'm going in with the peach color Bellini. Use a flat brush, or you can use one of those little sponge applicators if you don't have a flat brush. To start off this eyeshadow look, you're going to create a V shape. If you have hooded eyes, make sure to put this color above your natural crease. I have hooded eyes, so you can see that I'm placing it above my crease. For the lower part of the V, just extend it from your lash line. Depending how intense you want the color, you can keep going in to build up that shade. We're doing a monochromatic look, so we do want to deepen up the outer crease. So I'm just going in with a light brown shade and just stamping that on the outer V. If you have any harsh lines, just lightly buff out the edges. Deepen up the outer V to your liking. It's easier to start light and build it up to a more intense color. Now for the cut crease, go in with the smallest liner brush you have, or you could use a nail art brush. Dip into your concealer and line above your natural crease. If you have hooded eyes, I recommend doing this with your eyes open. I have hooded eyes, and see how the line disappeared. Now I'm keeping my eyes open and creating that crease. Do you find these kinds of tips helpful for your hooded eyes? If you do, make sure to subscribe. Now to add in some shimmer, we're going in with Peach Fizz. You can use a flat brush or that sponge, or just use your finger. You really don't need a million brushes to create a nice eye look. Make sure to keep the sparkle below the cut crease. If you have small eyes, using a brush might be easier. This step is optional, but if you want to brighten up your inner corner, use a lighter sparkly or shimmer color. To make your eyelashes appear thicker and define your upper eyelid, tight line your upper waterline. We're going to create a small wing. I'm using the Hip Dot liquid liner and just lining my lashes and then doing a very small wing at the end of my eye. You can still do liquid liner with no false lashes. Just do a really small, delicate one. If you have hooded eyes, make the wing go out more straight versus upwards. Curl your lashes. If you have straight lashes or struggle with keeping that curl, I have another video on how to make it look like you're wearing false lashes. Go in with your favorite mascara. I'm using the Rose Ink one. This one really separates and lengthens my lashes. Don't forget to do your lower lashes as well. This look literally took me 5 minutes in real life, and it's so pretty, delicate. You can wear it every day, night out, or during the daytime. It looks like you put so much effort in, but it really only took you 5 minutes. I'm going to show you how I did the rest of my face in a more monochromatic peach theme look. I prime my face, and then I'm testing out this 1999 highlighter in the shade Miel. Not sure, but it's a bronze peachy color. Then I'm going in with the Ilia foundation. I subscribe to BoxyCharm or the Ipsy box and the Allure box. Would you guys be interested in seeing some of the products that come in there? The $19.99 highlighter came in the Allure box. My face needs some serious contour since I was on vacation for a week, a little puffy, so I'm using the Rare Beauty bronzing stick. I really like this one, but it's super creamy, so it's probably not very beginner friendly. Would you be interested in seeing some of my favorite beginner friendly products? Keeping with the peach tones, I'm using the new Patrick Ta Blush Duo. I've used this a couple times already and I really like it. This is perfect for summer, and it being springtime, I've been really liking this. Makeup trick is to put cream blush over the powder for a more dewy look. I'm lining my lips with the One Size Beauty lip liner in Outer Line. This has quickly become one of my favorite nude liners. Staying with the peach theme, we're using the Pat McGrath. It's a nude peach color. It's called Peep Show. It's a matte lipstick. I got this Il Makiage lip gloss in my BoxyCharm or Ipsy box, and it's in the shade Lip Service. I also got this bronzer in the BoxyCharm. It's from Jasmine Beauty in the shade Light, but it is very dark for a light shade. And this is how I got my monochromatic peach look. This is so wearable during the day or night, and you don't need to wear false lashes. I'm loving that peach is the color of the year, and we're seeing more peach products. Does anyone else remember when it was super popular to wear peach everything? Maybe like 10 years ago? If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe and like.